Hey guys, EAS 81. I just paused the Tunein. There we go, guys. EAS 81. This is my Tunein app. This is a severe thunderstorm warning in Louisiana.
The National Weather Service's report has issued a severe thunderstorm
See,
warning
guys,
for
it's this one.
Parish, northwestern Caldwell Parish, southeastern Union Parish, Ouachita Parish, northeastern Winn Parish, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe
That was a few minutes ago.
was located 13 miles southeast of Jonesboro, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
That's fast.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Claiborne, West Monroe, Brownsville-Bochamville, Brownsville-Bockham, Swartz, Richwood, Spillington, Chatham, Dodson,
Another network
Yarrows,
issue.
Downsville, Sykes, Lochholman, Luna, Eureka, Caterville, Deschard, Drew, and Calhoun. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Jackson, Ouachita, Union, and Winn.
First EAS in over a week. Anyways, guys, there were plenty of tornado warnings and stuff like that these past few days here. I was not able to capture them because of schoolwork and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, we were preparing for the work week. That's what we were doing. So, anyways, guys, if you guys might be wondering, that EAS has occurred a few minutes ago. I was just pausing within the TuneIn radio app so that I could get my upload finished over the school iPad here, and you know, I would record this in a few minutes. So this is EAS 81, guys. Thanks for watching.